In exercise 5.4, first question they asked to find the equation of the two tangent to the ellipse at the point of 5, 2. So in at the example 5, 2, what is the equation of the two tangent they asked? The given equation of ellipse 2x squared plus 7y squared equal to 14. You want to bring the ellipse in the standard form. So what is the standard form? You can write x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. So in order to find a and b value, we have to bring the given equation of ellipse in the standard form. How to bring the standard form? Just divide entire equation by 14 because equal to 14 is there. Here I need 1. So when I get able to get 1, the 14 divided by 14 able to get 1. So we go and divide entire equation by 14. So equation of ellipse divide 14 in order to bring the standard form. So 2x squared by 40 plus 7y squared by 40 equal to 14 by 14. Finally we have eliminated, become x squared by 7. 1 to 2, 7 to 14, then y squared by 2 equal to 1. This is the standard form of the equation of the ellipse. So here in denominator value, which is a greatest value, that is a squared. So we have confusion. We can go and take a squared 2 or 7. So compare the two value. In among the two denominator value, which is the greatest, that is take as a squared. So here 7 is more than 2. So a squared equal to 7. Then from that a equal to root 7. Then b squared equal to 2. Then b equal to root 2. Now we know the standard form of the tangent to the ellipse. So equation of the ellipse, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the ellipse. Ellipse will be in the form of the tangent, the equation of tangent to the ellipse, the form y equal to mx plus square root of a square m square plus b square. This is the standard form of the equation of tangent to the any ellipse. So the equation of tangent to the ellipse, the form of y equal to mx plus square root of a square m square plus b square. Now we have to find the value of m, a and b. So a and b we can able to help with the help of equation of the ellipse able to find a value and b value, a square and b square value. Then substitute a square b square value. If we take as equation 1, so from equation 1 substitute instead of a square 7, instead of b square 2. So y equal to mx plus square root of 7m square plus 2. You consider as equation 2. Now next we want to find the m value. So how to find m value? They asked to find equation of tangent at 5, 2. So equation of tangent at 5, 2. So tangent at 5, 2. Tangent at 5, 2. So instead of in the equation instead of x2, instead of y5, substitute, you can able to find the value of m. So substitute the value here, 2 equal to 5m plus square root of 7m square plus 2. So 5m will come, then 2 minus 5m. I bring the 5m to the next side. Then square root of 7m square plus 2. So remove the square root, you can square on both sides. So 2 minus 5m the whole square equal to square root of 7m square plus 2 the whole square. Here you can eliminate. And here 4 plus 25m square. So a minus b the whole square format, a square. And when come to b square, 5 square 25, m square. Then minus 2ab. So 2 to 4, 4 to 20m equal to 7m square plus 2. So square and the square will be eliminated. So we have 7m square plus 2. Now arrange the term. 25m square minus 7m square minus 20m plus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have subtract it become 18m square minus 20m plus 2 equal to 0. So divided by 2, 9m square minus 10m plus 1 equal to 0. When multiply 9, when addition become minus 10. So when multiply 9, when add it become minus 10. So what is possible if we multiply minus 9 into minus 1, when multiply it become a plus 9. If you add minus n and minus 1 become a minus 10. So then we have coefficient of m squared, we have 9. If you have any coefficient more than 1, that value divide the factors. So 9 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Able to 1, you can't able to eliminate. So m minus 1 into m minus 1 by 9 equal to 0. When equaling m minus 1 equal to 0, we have m equal to 1. Then m minus 1 by 9 equal to 0, m equal to 1 by 9. So they told the beginning to find the two tangent. So we have a two value in m. From equation 2 substitute the value 1. We are able to get the first equation of tangent. Then m equal to 1 by 9 substitute equation 2. We are able to get second equation of the tangent. So when m equal to 1, from equation 2 y equal to, so only the x plus square root of 7 into 1 square plus 2. So we have y equal to x plus 1 square 1, 7 plus 2 9, square root of 9 become a 3. This is the first equation of the tangent. Then when m equal to 1 by 9. So y equal to 1 by 9 into x plus square root of 7 into 1 by 9 the whole square plus 2. So we have y equal to x by 9 plus square root of 7 by 81 plus 2. Then cross multiply. Then it become a y equal to x by 9 square root of 7 plus 162 by 81. Then it become 169. Then we can write y equal to x by 9 plus square root of 169 by 81. If you take the square of numerator denominator, then 69 13 by 9. Denominator is same. So y equal to x plus 13 by 9. So 9y equal to x plus 13. This is the second equation of the tangent. So if you bring the 9 that side, it becomes x minus 9y plus 13 equal to 0. These are the required equation of the tangent to the given ellipse.